This is what I believe the Lord sees when He looks at this group of women. He looks at the group of women that He's bought with His own blood and He washed clean. And He's not fazed by the changes that still need to come. He knows, He's fully confident that the good work He started, He'll bring to completion. And He looks at us and He sees beautiful, useful vessels for His glory. He wants us to see what He sees when we look at ourselves and to in full confidence walk out with our eyes set on His face. He does not see all the afvlakies. He does not see all the things that blind us. He sees what He's created us for. And He's created us for His glory.